a toolbox to help you create value through innovative ideas consistently. Do you think breakthrough creative, innovative idea comes once in a lifetime? Have you ever felt a creativity block? Innovation and creativity can be achieved with the right set of tools and techniques. With this course, you can claim 2 PDUs, 2 Professional Development Units from the Professional Management Institute. In this course, we'll go over the innovation concept, rule busting, role storming, problem redesign, and improvisation. There are no requirements to enroll in this course. We just ask you to come with an open mind and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the description of this course and hope to see you inside.